Looks good. Get that winch ready. Another episode of Great American Crawl. Brought Scott out. Scott was actually like our trail guide, so to say, partner in crime out there.
Yeah. It was
trying to like.
It was a joint effort.
Definitely joint effort. We decided to do Backwards Bill.
Yep.
And Moab Rim. So we did Backwards Bill, and it's a very scenic road with not a lot of difficult stuff. Just one crazy obstacle with a nice bypass if you don't want to do it. Wipeout Hill is a very, to me, simple hill. On your left-hand side, when you approach it on your left-hand side, you have, which is more the technical step-up line.
Yeah, more square-edged ledges to it.
And on the right side is what I'd call more of the roller coaster.
Yeah, kind of.
As long as you have nice throttle control and you just roll through it, like you're not gonna even slip a tire.
Yeah.
But the thing is the right side looks harder than the left side.
Yeah, it can be. I mean, I've stood there and looked at it and I'm just kind of like, gone back and forth. Oh, that looks harder. No, that looks harder.
And I think what it is the right side is more intimidating. The left side will catch you slipping.
Yeah.
Type thing.
If your throttle's not in the right place at the right time on those hard square ledges. Yeah.
And you're off camber a little bit.
Yep.
So it'll kind of just toss you one way or the other. Get that winch ready. Leave the short wheelbase. No one really expected it to happen. It wasn't anything crazy. But what happened is he squared up on the obstacle and he bumped it. He just stayed into it a little bit too long.
I saw you running. I like looked in and just saw a flash.
We got it turned off fairly quick. And then at that point it was like recovery.
Recovery mode.
Yep, and we had the Jeeps there, we set everything there. Again, Fact 55 Warren, you guys came through. Huge.
I don't know that the turbo kicked in a little bit harder than what it normally does or what. I don't know what it was, but once it started to spool, I was already on the brake, and then the Jeep decided it didn't want to go off the other way. And all of a sudden I hear it go ring, and I was slamming on the brake. I mean, it runs. So all I'm gonna have to do is recover my taillight lens for now, and it's gonna go home because I got an 18-hour drive home in this. Pulling a trailer.
Props to him. He kept his cool, got his rig up there.
And I was worried about that.
Yes, because of how many people we had.
But it was,
Yeah, but we planned it out again. So Moab Rim is one of those trails that is a one-way trail. You go up it and you come right back down the same way you go up.
and I got my rig staged and set,
Yep.
ready for winching if we
Yep.
needed any type of recovery. Z-turn is, I would say, your left line is your easier line. Get wide and come up this kind of this side, and that's going to get you through. For those who are feeling a little bit more sporty, I would say go to the right side. Ledges get a little larger. And people started showing up, and dude, everybody drove really well.
Yep.
Everybody drove really well. We had really built rigs. We had stockish rigs. And I think just about like everybody that had a built rig, they wanted to take that hard line on the right hand side.
Mm-hmm.
And dude, they got everybody up there, no problem. Everybody that wanted to go wide, you know, and in the smaller vehicles, everybody cruised right up there too.
Okay, guys, I wrote a song for today for this trail, so everybody listen up. Here we go. This is called Moab Rim. We're gonna go drive the Moab Rim. I hope we don't have to take a swim in the Colorado River down below. The first ledge we drive has a butt-clenching lean. One wrong turn and we'll hear you scream. The Colorado River's down below. Down low, the river's down below. The Moab Rim is still a ways to go. Down low, the river's down below. The Moab Rim is still a ways to go.
Appreciate that, man.
Javier showed up with the little two-door green LS3 swap. And he pulled up on the right side of the big crack. I've rode with Javier once before.
The guy can wheel.
And he can wheel.
That guy, that rig is legit, and that guy can wheel.
Right there. Like that. Just like that. Nice momentum. Just like that. Tap here a little bit. Flip it. Just like that. Flip it. Hard drive.
Super easy trail, super easy time. And then we came back down the trail.
Yeah.
And I don't think people realize that coming down the trail at Moab Rim is harder than going up the trail. No real problems, no real issues. Everyone made it down, super nice, super easy.
Yeah.
I think we were down by 2 o'clock.
Well, I actually needed a little. So going down, you know, people will try the hard line in that Z-turn. They'll try that hard line on the right side, going up, you know, the big ledge with kind of the hole. Well, I decided to take the hard line down too. So I was just going and I said, yeah, I think I've got the line. I think I've got it. And I set the front tires down. And when they went down, the whole back like lurched up.
Oh, that doesn't feel good.
And it was like, no.
Because you're off camber.
Because you are off camber, and it's probably, I don't know, a
6 foot, yeah. It's big.
Yeah. So just like we were talking about, like, hey, I don't have an ego. If I'm not feeling like, just snatch me up, pull me out, right? So Phoenix tugged me back out, and once we did that, then I could see where I was, okay, and went back and still went for it again, but on the line I was trying to do the first time, and went right on down through, and that was all good.
Very uneventful second day. I mean, except everyone having a blast and having a good time.
Great. That canyon, that in the morning. I love that side of the river in the morning.
I feel like if you're gonna go to
All
Moab
time.
and you're looking for that picture of Moab,
All time.
you have to get it on Moab Rim, like early morning, sun coming up, and it's just like the perfect shot of the river, your Jeep, this crazy, awesome
It's
shot.
so good. And like, I love driving just that road, even if you're going to Pritchett or if you're going to Cane Creek, you still go down that road. And in the morning, it's just the most beautiful like setting right there.
So we also have the Great American Crawl shirts that are out now. Full schedule on back, pretty awesome. Thanks to the companies who helped us get it done. Yukon Gear and Axle put the shirt together. Support from Mickey Thompson, R1 Concepts, Baja Designs, MagnaFlow, Scosche, Artec. You know what I mean? Just all great companies that all kind of threw in. Thanks for checking out Great American Crawl. Awesome time at Moab Rim and Backwards Bill. Thanks, Scott, for coming out and being a part of everything, helping spot the rigs and everything.
Dude, thank you.
You know what I mean? And to everyone who came out, we hope you had a blast. Make sure you comment below if you came out. Say, you know, what it was and why people should come on Great American Crawls. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for checking out Rockstar Garage.
tracks and it'll be fine, bro.